What's going on, guys? So I am here at Camper Clinic RV in Rockport, Texas, and we're about to take a look at this Grand Design Reflection travel trailer. This is a really cool floor plan, and it's one of my favorites, so you probably have an idea of what type of floor plan it is. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be right back. So today we're going to be taking a look at this 315 RLTS. This is a really cool rear living room floor plan, but it has a nice special feature that is in the front of this unit that you typically wouldn't get on a travel trailer. So taking a look at the numbers on this coach, it has a 10,995 pound gross vehicle weight rating. It has a cargo capacity of 1,523 pounds. This is definitely something, in my opinion, that is 3/4 ton, 1 ton, or even dually towable, not half-ton towable. And this travel trailer is going to have a dry weight of about 9,000 pounds, so it's going to be pretty heavy even when it's not fully loaded. Let's take a look at the outside of this specific unit. So first of all, it has a huge pass-through front storage, and they've done a really good job with it. Typically, the front storage on these are kind of compact, and this one is a pretty good size. It's about 3 feet wide, about 1.5 feet tall, and again, because of the frames right here, you have some space here to put other things that might be nasty and dirty because it's plastic. Going back, you can see it has a nice awning, outside speakers, aluminum fold-up steps. It's kind of interesting. A lot of manufacturers have moved to those drop-down style steps. This one still utilizes the aluminum fold-up steps. Westlake tires. This has the Dexter Easy Flex suspension in between it. Rack and pinion slide system. It's one thing I do appreciate about Grand Design is that they've stuck to the rack and pinion slide system. Plus, you have a second awning for the slides. This coach has 2 awnings on it. Coming around back, you have cable power connections out here. This rides on an interesting frame because it has a 10-inch I-beam section, but then it has a fully boxed 2-inch section beneath it, which is a very nice thing. That adds a ton of structural rigidity to this frame, and it also raises it up slightly, so the suspension and the body itself will sit up a little bit higher for taller tow vehicles. Has electronic stabilizers back here. On the back, you have a 2-inch receiver. It's going to be good for a bike rack or cargo, but not for towing. Ladder going to the top, full walk-on roof. This does not have frameless windows. That's not too important to me. It is wired for a Furrion wireless backup camera. Coming around, you can see that the main slide here also is a rack and pinion slide system. On this side, this is going to have a gas-electric refrigerator. You can tell by the way the back panels here are set up. Furnace, you're going to have your 50-amp connection as well as the back of your hot water heater. You have storage here. This storage actually is underneath the bed in the bedroom, and this is kind of the secret to the front room, which makes it awesome, is that it has this massive slide. Something nice that Grand Design does that a lot of other RV travel trailer manufacturers don't do is they put an actual wet panel in just like you would get on a fifth wheel. So you have all your controls here for winterization, for city water versus your tanks, and it's all in a really nice area here. Again, not a lot of travel trailer manufacturers do that. You have your front stabilization jacks as well. And the front slide right here is a Schwintek slide system. So you have 2 rack and pinion slides and then a Schwintek slide up front. Has nice LED accent lighting on the front nose cap here, as well as storage for 2 propane bottles and a power tongue jack. Let's step up into this 315 RLTS. Again, friction hinge on the door. I really appreciate that. Keeps the door from slamming on you. Coming into this coach, you can see that it is a very large rear living room floor plan. Has a nice kitchen area, tons of countertop space. I love the fact that they actually give you a coffee station. So many RVs miss out on that, and I think just about anyone who RVs likes coffee. Nice area around the stove, plus a huge island here, big pantry area, as well as nice sized TV fireplace. You have your sofa and your theater seating here. Freestanding dinette. This unit does not appear to have the day-night roller shades on it, something that I always appreciate when they do put them on. Has your standard Mach air conditioning system from Coleman. It is not a quiet cool system. It is a racetrack system though, so it is designed to be a little bit more efficient than some. Huge pantry area. Nice residential microwave. Coming over here, you can see it has a gas electric refrigerator, as well as tons of storage. So you get a lot of cabinets and storage in this coach. Coming back, and have your bathroom area right here. Has a good sized shower, especially for a travel trailer. It might not be that long in this direction, but it's definitely wide. And it has very, very good ceiling height. It's not even worth measuring because I don't think anybody's going to touch that ceiling. You could probably be upwards of 7 feet tall without having to worry about hitting your head. Plus, nice porcelain foot flush toilet. Here you have a really nice sink basin. I like how they make the sink a little bit smaller so you get more countertop space. A nice medicine cabinet at the end. Coming into the master bedroom area, this is a queen size bed. So it doesn't look like there would be a king option unless you got rid of the end tables, and you might be able to fit a king in here. But you have lots of storage here. You have even more storage on this side. Huge closet. That closet is simply enormous. Again, take a look at all that space in here. Now, this does not have any type of an area for a washer and dryer, but it does have a significant amount of closet space. And it's well laid out. The bed is on these nice hydraulic arms, and you have a lot of storage underneath the bed as well. So that's something they do really well with Grand Design, is giving you ample storage for just about anything. So guys, this is a really nice travel trailer. I'm a big fan of these rear living room designs. This specific one has an MSRP of $56,940. Again, I'm sure you would get a significantly lower price than that if you contact them. This is absolutely my favorite floor plan for a travel trailer. I do wish it had the mid bunk, but sometimes when you add the mid bunk to one of these coaches, it makes them a little bit longer and heavier than most trucks can pull. So in this specific case, you still have room, of course, to sleep additional people because this will fold out into a bed. But all in all, you're looking at this unit sleeping about 4 people. Anyways, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. We'll talk to you again very soon.